After playing 14 innings yesterday, Bowling Green and Buffalo softball might be doggone tired, but playing 2 today, they'd had the energy of a pup. Bottom of the first, Falcons down to Bailey Sample, base hit up the middle. Peyton Dolis goes first to third. She would later score on the back end of a double steal. Next batter, Reagan Williamson, crushing the pitch in the left field over the fence atop the bullpen netting. Driving in Sample, 6th home run of the season. Falcons with the 3-2 lead. Move ahead to the 3rd inning, still a 3-2 game. Greta L'Esperance on second for Williamson. Catcher delivers again, this time going oppo field, singling into right. L'Esperance scores. Williamson 2 for 4, 3 RBI in the 4th. Falcons threatening again. Marley McNulty on second. Sophie Weber, deep drive to center, stays in the park but off the fence. McNulty scores. Falcons build a 6-2 lead, but the Bulls rally, scoring 4 in the 6th. The winning game 1, 7-6 in 8. In the nightcap, though, Peyton Gottshall from Bowling Green rested game 1, threw a no-hitter in game 2. 4-0 the final in the second game.